What men considers as a great sex. Women should take note of this, and this is a relationship advice for women. These are what men considers as great intimacy once they are with women. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end to know what men considers as great sex. But before I proceed on this video, I want to tell you that you are most welcome to this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos for men and men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to see this channel, join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good content, you will get notification of my new upload. So thank you for stopping by. Now, what are the things men considered as a great sex? There are many things that will prove that a man is satisfied and considered a great sex. That is what I want to share in this video. Number one is frequent. That is the frequent occurrence of intimacy between a man and a woman. So if men always have this intimacy consistently, that is a great intimacy, and that is what men considered as a great sex. Yes, men like it consistently, but not all the time, but frequent engagement, frequent engaging in these activities. Men consider it as a great sex. Or during the exercise, he encounter many rounds. That is a great activity men like, and this craves men. So number two is variety. What do I mean by variety? Variety can be styles a woman or the partner chooses to satisfy his man. It could be a missionary, it could be fat, many types, you know. So varieties of how the woman share this activity or give this man his pleasure, men consider it as a great sex. So if you always adopt one style, men don't see it as a great pleasure, but giving men different ways makes them go crazy, and this will make him get satisfied and love you more as a woman. So men always consider varieties of these activities as a great intimacy. So that is it. Number three is fantasy. Yes, the way you use to give it to him. If you use your mind as a woman to give a man this activity, this pleasure, they will consider it, or he will consider it as a great pleasure. So fantasy is very important, so that you as a woman, you will know how to make a man go crazy once both of you are staying together or during this exercise. If you always make him to be satisfied and make him happy, men consider it as a great intimacy. Number four and the last is the intensity. Yes, what do I mean? The time both of you spend together, the time both of you do this pleasure or have this pleasure, men consider it as a great time. So there are some women that once they have an encounter with their partner, highest 1 hour, they left. This is abnormal. Men don't consider it as a great pleasure. But once you devote much of your time to make sure that your man is satisfied and make him happy on a very longer period, men consider it as a great time, and this makes men go crazy and men crave over this. So these are the 4 ways men consider sex as great. So make sure that you make your man happy and make him to go crazy through these 4 ways. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I strongly believe that you get value. Join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell each time I upload a good content concerning men and natural ways to keep men. you will get notification to watch my video. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.